Imagine a crisp autumn afternoon in 1814 London, when an ordinary day turned into a surreal nightmare. Without warning, a colossal beer vat at the Moo and Company brewery burst, releasing over 323,000 gallons of porter, a dark, frothy wave that surged through the streets with unstoppable force. This unexpected deluge demolished walls, flooded cellars, and swept away everything in its path, tragically claiming the lives of 8 unsuspecting Londoners. In a time long before social media challenges, the city faced an unimaginable and deadly challenge, surviving a cataclysmic beer flood that transformed an everyday beverage into a lethal torrent.